Are you a small church tech or a content creator and looking for a budget-friendly way to start live streaming? In this video, I'll show you how to get started using a free program called OBS Studio. This is Audio Nerd. I'm Brent, and I try to help small churches and content creators with a variety of things from live streaming to live mixing. And if you find any of this content valuable, please hit the like and subscribe button or leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and jump into setting up your live stream using OBS. So in order to stream to a platform like Kick, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, whatever you want to stream to, you'll need obviously an account with them, and you'll need the stream key plus OBS Studio, aside from your sources like your camera and all that stuff. But
hold on to your butts.
It's very easy to set up, so let's go ahead and jump into it. First, you'll want to go to obsproject.com, click the download for whichever operating system you have, download it, install it. Good to go. You are now in this window. Next, sign into the platform you want to stream to. In this case, it's YouTube. We are going to go ahead and hit create and click go live. Now there's a couple things we need once we connect to our YouTube studio here. First, we will want to make sure that our stream is set to unlisted or private because this is the first time we're doing it. And we want to make sure that it looks good. So we're going to do a test stream here. Make sure the visibility is on private or unlisted. Then grab your stream key, which is right here in this area. Hit copy. Go back to OBS. And go to your settings. Go ahead and click on stream. Then for your services, you'll choose which one you'd like to do. I'm going to click on YouTube in my case. And then I'm going to choose use stream key advanced, and we will just paste that into here. Go ahead and hit OK. All right, so now that we are back in the main screen of OBS, as you can see behind here, we have YouTube Studio waiting for us to start our live stream. All right, here we go. It is now streaming live. It'll have a buffer of a few seconds. I've seen up to 10-15 seconds sometimes, just depending on your connection. Once you are done with your live stream, go ahead and end it. I'm going to end it up here at the top right in YouTube, and then I will go back to OBS and hit stop streaming. And you are live streaming. Go ahead and keep an eye out for my future videos. I'll show you how to multi-stream to different platforms. Go ahead and check out some of these other videos. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.